strike. Light strike. Light strike. I have to fix this trigger. Okay, sorry in advance about the cuts. See that second sear there? That's my problem. We're popping off the first sear and going to the second. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, that's hooked on the primary sear, and I think what they had in mind is that if for some reason the primary sear is screwing up, instead of running away full auto, we've got a second safety sear that'll catch. Only problem is, I don't know, I probably want it to run away full auto. Anyway, that's why it's getting changed. Okay, that's hooked on the second sear. You can see that the hammer is almost vertical, and when it releases, you're going to get a light primer strike. Okay, there's the minion lower. Okay, I think I'm burned. That doesn't say foxtrot mic. I'll have to double check, but that's what's in the pack. And it's going to be better than the Elfman one way or another. Okay, all done.